Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make jarred salsa using an easy method. Making your own salsa at home is incredibly rewarding and surprisingly simple. We'll cover everything from selecting the freshest ingredients to safely preserving your delicious creation. Get ready to enjoy flavorful, homemade salsa that's perfect for any occasion, all year round. It's a fantastic way to capture garden freshness. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for that amazing salsa. Start by thoroughly washing about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, then chop them into small pieces. Next, dice 1 large onion and 2 medium jalapeno peppers, removing seeds if you prefer less heat. Finally, mince 3 cloves of fresh garlic and chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro for a burst of flavor. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Combine all the chopped vegetables, garlic, and cilantro in a large pot. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing flavors to meld. Carefully ladle the hot salsa into sterilized pint jars, ensuring you leave ½ inch of headspace. Process these jars in a boiling water bath for 15 minutes for safe preservation. After processing, let your jars cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Once cool, check each lid to ensure it's concave and sealed properly. If not, refrigerate and consume within 2 weeks. Properly sealed jars can be stored in a cool, dark pantry for up to 1 year. Now you have delicious, homemade jarred salsa ready to enjoy with chips, tacos, or any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.